Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make this delicious and family-friendly air fryer pork tenderloin. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and I help home cooks make keto meals the whole family will love. And today we're going to make this air fryer pork tenderloin. We've got a whole pork tenderloin here, and now it came in a package of 2 and we're freezing the other one, but you can make both of them if you want. For starters, we're going to make a delicious rub. We're going to start with some garlic powder, some dried cumin, some dried oregano, minced garlic, dried thyme, and salt and pepper. And we're also going to add in a tablespoon of avocado oil. So we are going to stir this up. As you can see, this rub is super simple. Now I've got my air fryer here and it is already sprayed with cooking spray. So now we are going to take our pork tenderloin here and we're going to rub the rub all over it. I'm going to make sure and get it all rubbed on there. Okay, I washed my hands and now we're going to use some tongs to put this pork tenderloin in our air fryer basket. This is going to cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, but we are definitely going to use a thermometer to make sure that it is perfectly cooked on the inside. 145 degrees Fahrenheit is a perfect temperature so your pork is not overcooked. Okay, our air fryer pork tenderloin is out of the air fryer. I cannot talk. Oh my gosh. It looks so amazing. So I think that you should go and check out my playlist for other air fryer recipes. I have several on here. Look at that. That is perfectly cooked. It's a perfect 145 to 150 degrees internal temperature. You also may want to check out my recipe for pork rind crusted chicken nuggets. All of my family love it, even my kids. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.